This is Bart's Bosco and Bart's motherfucking kitchen.
Ham and fish,
Ham and fish, chickpeas, beers, and
this is punk
vanilla.
rock incarnate. We're gonna put punk rock in our stomachs and we're gonna expect to not puke from it.
And Scotty Senator, he'd be like, wow, this is fucking wild, this is good. This is like fucking rock and roll style. And we got some maximum ice.
We're gonna expect to not puke. Chicken and fish, chicken and fish.
And we're watching who you gonna call? Ghostbusters! Oh, look at it. Oh, it's a concoction. It's kind of like goulash. And you got some chickpeas and you got some wow. Yeah. Wow. Neighborhood. Who are you gonna call?
Well, I'll tell you one thing. If it doesn't taste good, it'll sure as shit be healthy.
Oh, it's healthy as fuck, alright. I tell you, it's got beer, it's got hops, it's got barley. It's a cannabinoid in the 2 millions of the sense. Cannabinoid by a million. Cannabinoid. Oh,
sorry, bro. Do you have any hot sauce?
Oh, cannabinoid. Oh, I got hot sauce. I got hot sauce. I got hot sauce. I got hot sauce.
Oh, you got chilies. You got real chilies, bro.
The Ghostbusters he's got some hot sauce. Now, Scotty Senator, he'd burn that up in a pipe. Oh, he would. He'd get high off of that. Oh, hi, Scotty. Thanks for the shout out. Jason getting you into the Skateboard Hall of Fame, and you should be. You've been skateboarding since the 70s, 60s, and 70s. My friend Bart, man, here, he's like cutting up some peppers. Maybe he might send you some of these peppers. Send you some of these peppers here. I send you up some of these peppers and you put them in the vape machine and fucking smoke them. Oh, we got some. It's got a meal going here. We got some Brussels sprouts. We got some chickpeas. Got some Ghostbusters music playing.
An accidental pubic hair?
Yeah, throw it on the ground. Oh, throw it on the ground. Oh, James, come on. What the? No, James, you're doing hip hop songs here.
Yeah, one of those peppers will be good. Woo!
Got the game genie going in here. You got the Ghostbusters. Cybernoid. Cybernoid. We've got Cybernoid going. We got Cybernoid going. We got the Cybernoid going. We got some like a collaboration, a Canadian meal. Hey, you hosers! We got a meal going here. Okay. Hey, you hosers, we got a meal going here.
Okay, the sauce, eh? Okay, let me tell you, okay? We've got some chickpeas and a few Brussels sprouts here, but we put some jalapenos in here and a red pepper. Mostly the sauce is made out of chicken and beer. Beer. Maximus Isobis. The
Maximus Isobis
is beer. Okay?
Oh, we got a beer in a can.
We've got the food in there, but the sauce, the main ingredient,
Maximum Ice. Yeah. Maximum Ice back in the Strange Brew days. We were playing hockey and we had some hosers and they were wrecking the game, eh? They were wrecking the game.
So we put some fish in there.
So we put some fish.
We put some chicken in there.
And we put some chicken.
We put some chickpeas, or if you're ethnic, garbanzo beans.
Garbanzo beans.
Into the mix. But mostly everything in this came from a can.
Ote.
Especially the beer.
Ote. Hosers. A.
Now, appetizer.